Right now, 1.4 billion people have no bank account. Millions more are trapped by bad credit, high fees, and banks that don't care. But there's something that doesn't need a bank, doesn't check your credit score, and can't shut you out. It's called Bitcoin. It's digital money you control 100% with just a phone and internet. No bank account needed, no ID in many cases. Send money worldwide for pennies. No one can freeze your money. Your boss, your ex, the government, nobody can take it without your permission. Get paid in Bitcoin from anywhere in the world. Spend it instantly at shops that accept it, or convert it to cash when you want. You decide, not the bank. Bitcoin is yours. You hold the key, literally. As long as you keep your 12-word backup phrase safe, no one can ever take it from you. This is your way out. You don't need permission to fix your money. You just need Bitcoin. Fix the money, fix the world.